Hello world, how have you been eating abacha? Shebi is that one with red oil, abi? I know that one, I loved it, but I know you're going to love this my stir fried abacha recipe. This recipe is really amazing and it's nice. Correct abacha recipe. Abacha wey go school, come graduate with better grade. So let's make it. Start by adding hot water into your abacha. I'm using boiled water in this recipe. Then you're going to cover and allow it to soak for 5 minutes. After this, you're going to strain it and put it in another bowl to make sure there is no water inside, just as I'm doing in the video. Then in a heated pan, you're going to add oil. After that is heated, you're going to go in with your tomato. I'm using diced tomato for this recipe. You're going to stir this for 5 minutes to get rid of all the whole sour taste. Then you're going to go in with your pepper paste. I'm using Cajun seasoning, garlic, ginger, curry, thyme with bay leaf and some white pepper for this recipe. So you're going to stir this together, give this a good stir, and you're going to go in with your seasoning cubes. At this point, I'm going to go in with my sausage, carrot, green beans, and chopped parsley. Your chopped parsley is the most important thing in this recipe for taste and flavor. Then at this point, you will just be stirring it, just stir and for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to cover this for 2 minutes. After this, go in with the celebrity. Chief has arrived, guys. Chief have landed. Add your abacha, presido day. Add your abacha. Add all your bell peppers. I'm using all the colors. I'm using onion. Add everything. Stir oga kpatakpata till everything is combined. Then keep stirring, keep stirring. Just a turn just a turn that's how it's stir fried. You're going to turn this till everything is cooked. So let's just say you're going to stir this for like 5 minutes or 6 minutes, depending on how soft you like your veggies. And this your delicious abacha is ready. You can adjust your seasoning, you can add salt, you can add whatever, just taste and adjust however you like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes, for more mouth-watering recipes with family and friends. Don't forget to turn on your notification button also, guys. Bye.